Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So this video I am going to teach you how to fix City Skylines 2 not enough customers issue. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So before moving on to the solving the problem of the lack of customers, it is first necessary to understand why it occurs. So in the City Skylines too, the lack of customers arises from the poor location of commercial areas. If they are located too far from residential areas, or if it is difficult for residents to get to them. So commercial areas may face the problem of lack of customers. Another cause of problems can be too many commercial zones. So when building such zones, pay attention to the demand among residents and try not to build too many commercial zones because they lack customers, so they will be idle, which will hurt the city's budget. And now let's get on with the fixes. So the first, what you can do is to build a residential area around a small commercial area. So for commercial zone to generate as much profit as possible, there should be significantly fewer of them than customers. So this way there will be plenty of customers. Locating the zones like this will help improve the efficiency of the commercial zones and make it easier for residents to get to them. And then next is arrange customer or commercial areas correctly. So info views tab will help with this as it shows all cities statistics. Pay attention to the commercial suitability and customer statistics before assigning a zone. So the best places for commercial zones will be marked green and the bad ones will be orange and red. Just keep in mind that commercial zones with different densities have different commercial suitability, so don't forget to test them all. And then next is to make commercial zones more accessible. So problems with a lack of customers can also arise from accessibility issues. They often occur in larger cities due to traffic. So to solve these problems, avoid traffic jams near commercial areas, build parking lots near them, and make public transportation and taxi stops. And then finally, so some players believe that a game bug is the reason for the excessive amount of not enough customer messages. So if everything listed that I've told you is done but didn't help, it may be a game bug. So a possible solution is to demolish the building with the customer shortage error and then just rebuild it. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.